CPS is the world's premier provider of tactical parachuting equipment to military services worldwide. Here in Arizona, we conduct the training in support of that equipment. The courses that we run about 20 days in length, and they will take a jumper from no jump experience all the way up to jumping at nighttime with combat equipment under MVGs with oxygen.
I came through the course as a brand new, I was a team leader in the Marine Corps Force Recon Company, and I came out here, so my experience is pretty personal with how the guys go through the course out here.
3 knots.
3 knots. I've spent quite a bit of time with some of our brothers in other units learning the ATAC piece because it is such a good force multiplier. It gives us real good interoperability between individuals as well as a little bit of command and control.
ATAC, we use it for situational awareness amongst jumpers during tactical infiltrations. The goTenna paired with the ATAC allows us to broadcast without a cell network, so we keep situational awareness of where the other jumpers are in the sky and then on the ground for tactical movement.
goTenna is actually a great solution, really easy, intuitive to figure out how to use with ATAC, and then also pairing it and putting it with the phones, downloading the software. I was really pleasantly surprised at how well it performs over distance, and then also gives us real quick, real-time feedback on each other.
We use it here as a safety measure, as if a student goes off on his own and lands off in the desert, we can actually use the goTenna paired with the ATAC to locate him and make movement to him to ascertain if he's okay or not.
Easy to put on, find a place to put it. Even if you don't want to wear a center line, there's multiple options for locating it on your kit, your gear, within the parachute. And then very simple to pair with the phone and then check all the other guys in the team and make sure everybody's tracking and talking to each other. So real easy to use.